Did you know a single data center of Google can consume more electricity than a smaller city in India, which is almost equivalent to powering up as many as 10,000 homes. Data centers are the electricity and water hungry monsters that requires non-stop power and cooling for 24 hours and 365 days. You just cannot shut them off. If a data center collapses temporarily, it can cause massive business loss, as well as it can make the internet dependent human life slower for some time. Join us as we crack the code of sustainable cooling and renewable energy solutions that keep our screens bright without dimming our future. Hi, my name is Shovik Ghosh and you are welcome to another video of Internet Entry. Today we will discuss everything you will ever need to know about the backbone of internet, which is commonly known as data centers. Most of your activities on the internet are controlled and managed from here. Just imagine a typical day. After you wake up, you reach for your phone to check for your messages and nothing appears correctly. No Facebook, no Instagram, no Google searches, and not even YouTube videos are playing properly. How does that make you feel? It's a digital nightmare, right? Yeah, that is what happens when a data center collapses due to energy shortage or maybe various other reasons. The data centers are the unsung heroes of internet, keeping the world moving. Data centers are so crucial, it can stop the government works temporarily. It may also stop you from commuting to your work just because you cannot book a Uber ride. It may stop you from sending emails and check your weather forecast, and even ordering food from your favorite restaurant. What if you cannot find the direction for that important meeting? This will create a panic in human being, right? Now imagine millions of people across a particular region are on the same boat. They all are feeling the same heat of frustration because the internet is down. This isn't some hypothetical scenario. It is what would happen without the lifeline of data centers. You might not think about it this way, but every time you browse the internet, stream a video, or send an email, you are interacting with data centers. These colossal structures are hidden backbone of the internet. To understand their significance, let me take you through a real-life example. Think about those cozy nights when you are binge-watching your favorite show on Netflix. Behind the scenes, Netflix's massive data centers are working tirelessly to deliver those high-definition videos in front of you. These data centers store and serve all those movies and TV shows in real time. So every time you hit the play button, you are tapping into the power of data centers. Now let's break down what a data center is and what goes on inside of a data center. Think of a data center as a giant library, but instead of books, it is filled with rows upon rows of powerful storage systems and processing devices. These devices are connected to the internet to store vast amount of data. But what truly is mind-blowing is the sheer scale of data centers. These facilities are enormous, and to give you an idea, let me help you with a real-life example. Facebook's data centers are spread across the globe, but the Facebook's biggest data center, located in Iowa, USA, it is as big as 17 football fields. That is the size of one of the biggest data centers in the world. It stretches so long that you wouldn't even see the other end from one sideline. These digital beasts power Facebook like a tech titan, fueling the online life of billions of users. These massive facilities store photos, videos, status updates, ensuring they are instantly accessible from anywhere on the planet. Now let's get under the hood and explore the technical aspects that keep the data centers running smoothly. Inside of these facilities, you will find cutting-edge cooling systems to protect the servers from overheating. They also have multiple power sources to ensure uninterrupted services. These data centers consume a lot of energy, but there is a push for sustainability. Let's look at a real-life example of an energy-efficient data center. Google's data center in Finland are powered by seawater cooling. They have figured out how to use the cold seawater from the Gulf of Finland to keep their servers cool and reduce their environmental footprint. Data centers are not only about power and storage, they are also ultra secure and reliable. Security measures are intense with biometric scans, surveillance cameras, and tight access control. Redundancy is also a key factor in ensuring uninterrupted services. If one server fails, another takes over instantly. The future of data center is incredibly exciting. They are evolving to keep up with the ever-growing need of internet. Microsoft is working on underwater data centers that could be powered by renewable sources like tidal, wave power, or wind powers. These underwater facilities could be the future of data center, providing efficient and eco-friendly solutions. So now you know about the data centers, the unsung heroes of internet, which play a crucial role in connecting us all. From streaming our favorite shows to connecting with friends on social media, it's all made possible by those technological marvels. Thanks for joining me today. Watch our next video on a trending technology to learn something new. This is Shovik Ghosh signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, stay curious, stay connected.